All right, welcome back to Excel Community College. Today we're going to be going over the index match formulas in Excel. If you would like to follow along, go to excelcommunitycollege.com and download the Doggy dataset for free, so you can do exactly what we're doing here. So index match is another way to look up a value in a table or in a tab in Excel. It's got a lot more functionality than VLOOKUP because it doesn't have the restraint of the lookup having to be in the first column. So we're going to start with trying to find the weight of the dog named Dash. So we're going to start by putting over here in cell I2, we're going to do equals index, and it'll prompt once you put that parentheses in, and you'll see the formula on the bottom left for the entire video for index and for match. So starting with index, we have to highlight the whole array, aka the whole area where we're going to be performing our lookups. So that's A1 to E11. Hold shift to highlight the entire area, and then hit F4 to lock it in. So the next two parts of the index formula, the row number and column number, is where we will be using the match formula to figure out the row and column numbers. So for row number, we type in match, and it's basically doing a VLOOKUP. Check out our VLOOKUP video if you want to figure out how to do that. So the first part of the match formula is lookup value. So we're trying to find Dash in the rows for the dog names. So we're going to hit parentheses, and the lookup array is going to be this entire column. Make sure you get the header one too, because if you just try and start from the second row, it might error out. And then it's going to ask for match type, and you want to put 0 for exact match so you can get the exact lookup. So that's going to be our row number. So it's going to take that dash that we're looking up, it's going to look through this entire column, and when it matches it, it's going to say row 6 is the row we want to key on. So the next part of the lookup is the column. So we're going to type in match again, and we're going to click over here on the weight and hit comma. So we're going to be looking for weight where it matches in this row, and so it'll be keying on this column right here, and we're going to put exact match. So put in 0 again, and then that is it. 55. So basically it helps you figure out the exact row and column to really own in that lookup. So we're going to try it on this next one. For the index, we're going to highlight the entire area and hit F4 to lock it in. And then for the row number, we're going to say match. We're trying to match Twinkie to a dog name in this column. And we want an exact match, so we're going to put 0. And then for weight, for the column part of the index formula, we're looking for breed. And we're looking for it over here in the first row. That's going to be another exact match. And hit enter, and Chihuahua pops out. So we're going to practice one more time. Same thing, we're highlighting the same area for the index, locking it in, and we're trying to match the Bruno name. And of course, the lookup array is going to be column 1 again. And make sure you put in 0 for the exact lookup. And then for column, we're putting in match again. We're going to be looking up fur length in this first row. Make sure you click fur length and then select the row and put 0 to get the exact match. And that is going to spit out short. So index match is very flexible. You can use it for very large data sets, and it's a lot easier to get around some of these issues with VLOOKUP. So if you haven't checked out the VLOOKUP video, check it out here. And if you got any questions, comment below. Thank you.